Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math. And we got some bad math that works. We got the square root of 3 over 10. Well, we know when we divide by 10, it's just like moving the decimal place over 1. So that's equal to 0 point square root of 3. Not too bad. And then point square root of 3 is just 0.01732205. Going on forever. And there we got it. Square root of 3 over 10 is 0.17325, yada, yada, yada. We got x squared. Well, x squared is the same thing as 1 times an x squared. And then from there, we know we can write 1 times x squared times 1. We're allowed to do that. Oh, and we don't really need to write the multiplication symbol when we do that. So we have 1 x squared 1, or absolute value of x squared is right there. And there we got it. X squared is equal to the absolute value of x squared. We got x squared minus 9 over x minus 3. Let's go rewrite this. X squared minus 9 over an x minus 3. Oh, we know the negative signs or minus signs cancel out. Boom, boom. So we got some plus signs going on here. So we got x squared plus 9 over x plus 3. From there, 9 and 3 cancel. So 3 is a 1. 9 is, well, 3. Oh, and the squareds cancel. X squared and the x. So we're left with an x plus a 3 in the numerator and a 1 in the denominator, or an x plus 3. And there we have it. X squared minus 9 over x minus 3 simplifies to be an x plus 3. We got the integral of the natural log of x dx. Well, you know the integral of x is, well, x squared over 2. So we got the natural log here of, well, x squared over 2. And then don't forget the plus c. You can never forget that. We got parentheses here. We got multiplication with x squared as x times x. So let's toss an x to the outside. Natural log of x over 2 times x plus ac. We can separate this out with subtraction. So we have the natural log of an x minus natural log of a 2 here times that x plus c. Now we all know that 2 is equal to e, and the natural log of e is a 1. So we have natural log of x minus 1 all times x plus c. Distribute the x back into the parenthesis, and we have x times the natural log of x minus the x plus c. And there we have it. Let's have some fun with phi. We got phi minus 1. Well, it's the same thing as if you write phi, parentheses, minus 1. Now, if you're like me, that minus 1 can also be tossed up in the exponent. We have a negative 1 power, it's the same thing. Phi to the negative 1 power. And we all know that when we take an exponent to the negative 1 power, it's the same thing as 1 over it. So we have 1 over phi here, and there we have it. Phi minus 1 is equal to 1 over phi. Now you know some bad math. That works.